Welcome back once again. This is Nick Graham, and as I promised, I'm going to discuss sum and difference identities. I will start with the sum formula for cosine and the difference formula for cosine, as you can see here. This one and this one. I'm going to use these two figures, as you can see here. The first figure is that we have two angles, the alpha and the beta, and for the first angle, for the first figure, we're going to find the distance between the 2 points. What is good here is that if we're going to rotate this figure so that this point will go here, as you can see for the figure 2, then our angle will become alpha minus beta. Okay? And then, but the distance between 2 points are still the same. Okay, this is crucial in finding or improving the sum and difference of cosine formula. Okay, and we know that distance formula look like this. D squared is equal to, we have x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And then we have, for the first figure, we have, for our x, then we have cosine, and we can take alpha as our x sub 2, cosine alpha, and minus cosine beta squared, plus, then we have sine alpha minus sine beta squared. Expanding that, we have cosine squared alpha minus 2 cosine alpha cosine beta plus cosine squared beta, plus we have sine squared alpha minus 2 sine alpha cosine beta, sine beta, sine beta plus sine squared beta. As you can see here, this is 1, that is equal to 1. And this is also equal to 1. Why? Because cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. Okay, that's Pythagorean identity. So we have 2 minus 2 cosine alpha cosine beta minus 2 sine alpha sine beta. Okay, for the next one, next figure, we have d squared still, but this time we have cosine alpha minus beta squared, oh sorry, not squared yet, minus 1 squared, plus we have sine alpha minus beta squared. Expanding, we have cosine alpha minus beta squared minus 2 cosine alpha minus beta plus 1. Plus, I will put it here, sine alpha minus beta squared. And this one, it will become 1. Then we have 2 minus 2 cosine alpha minus beta. They are equal. Then I will equate them with another pen there. I will equate them Then we have 2 minus 2 cosine alpha minus beta is equal to 2 minus cosine alpha cosine beta minus 2 sine alpha sine beta. And this is, oh, this is also 2, sorry. This is 0. So if I will divide all with negative 2, and I have cosine alpha minus beta is equal to cosine alpha cosine beta plus sine alpha sine beta. Okay, well, look if we find already one of them. Yes, we have found this. Okay, how about cosine alpha plus beta? That is the same as cosine alpha minus negative beta. Okay, so if we follow what we have here, we have cosine alpha cosine negative beta plus sine alpha sine negative beta. And then we have here, we have identity like this, the odd and even identity. Cosine theta, negative theta, is the same as cosine theta, but sine negative theta is equal to negative sine theta. Then we will use that. So cosine alpha cosine beta minus, this will become negative, minus sine alpha sine beta. So this is the first formula, and we have the second formula plus beta. I will stop there, and in my next video I will be discussing the sine function, sum and difference identities for sine. So I hope you learned something, and I really thank you for watching, and have a nice day. See you soon.